In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the splash shield that goes right below the radiator on this Ford E-350 van. Let's get started. On the front bumper, this should be secured with two little clips. Yours may have bolts or screws, and in most cases it should just be two little clips, one here and one here. Mine only has one left. I'm going to use a flathead screwdriver to help pry it away. As long as you undid both of yours, the front should be disconnected from the bumper. There are now going to be two 8mm bolts, one right over here and one on the other side. Let's take them both out. With those removed, you'll be able to pull the shield right down. And there it is. Bring the new one in position. Center it up and start in the two bolts. When you tighten these up, don't make them too tight. You don't want to break the plastic that's around the bolt. As for the front, these two hooks need to hook over the lower lip of the front bumper. There we go, there's one. And the second one. Ensure that this is all properly secured, and there you have it, job is done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.